Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. It's Brandon Giz. I am back with a quick little demo featuring the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Water Foundation. Now this has broad spectrum SPF 15 with sunscreen, the box that it comes in, and this is the actual product. It's 1 fluid ounce of product in this bottle. It has the cute gold detail and I love the way the top looks, and it has a dropper to dispense the product. Now I am wearing this of course on my face, and I've been wearing this for like 2 days, and I figured I would do a review. My first time using this product, I applied it with the Sonia Kashuk brush, but on today I decided to use my Sigma, and this is their flat top kabuki brush, and I like the way the foundation applied and it gave a flawless finish. So yeah, I'm gonna do a really quick demo. The shade that I'm wearing is Deep Honey, and it does match me really well. I really didn't go heavy on the primers or anything like that. I just used the Smashbox primer water. You can see in the video, you've seen that in the video, and I'm not sure if I have footage on me applying just a little bit of this Bobbi Brown. This is a face base product, and it's oily girls. It's a great primer. So with that being said, I hope you like the tutorial. Let me know if you like the finish of the foundation. Let me know if you've tried it, if you're gonna go out and try it. And yeah, so on